Before the PTF briefing today, the recently inaugurated ad hoc committee on COVID-19 met with members of the task force on ways of containing the pandemic. National Assembly Correspondent Adisa reports.
The number of persons confirmed daily of COVID-19 infection is on the rise in Nigeria. The country recorded more than 600 new infections, the highest so far, only 2 days ago, and more than 400 the day after. This is a maiden meeting between the task force and the ad hoc committee, inaugurated less than 2 weeks ago by the Speaker, Femi Gbajabiamila.
We need to advocate to the people to change, to become more disciplined. The coordinator has again emphasized the issue of behavioral change.
It's good that we have the full briefings from you. And now we are rest assured that we are on the same page, at least rebuilding the health sector that has automatically collapsed in our country.
The task force says majority of Nigerians are becoming too laid back, disregarding safety measures, and this explains the spike in infections.
In the processes that we have put in place, now that we have concluded and we have, by evidence and science, confirmed that transmission now is at the community level, we've been able to identify 20 local governments across the nation that contribute over 60% of the infections recorded.
He wants citizens to be prepared for the likelihood of a future outbreak.
If there will be experiences and there will be successes that will come out of this particular enterprise, it must prepare us for the future.
The Health Minister and the National Coordinator of the PTF also provided answers to some of the lawmakers' questions.
We don't have access to all states. We would like to have that restored for the Nigeria Center for Disease Control to be able to do its job.
The only thing that would get us out of the current pandemic is behavioral change. There's no vaccine, there's no preventive therapy. How do we stop it? We have to stop transmission from person to person. How do we stop transmission? It's by changing our behavior and making sure that we follow those guidelines that are necessary.
The ad hoc committees was set up to join other agencies of government in the fight against the pandemic and as well find solutions to the challenges posed by the virus. Adisa, TVC News, Abuja.